Hi guys, this is Irina from DesignMile. Here we are in DesignMile latest project in Melbourne. This is beautiful house which we have renovated. So I'll just give you a quick tour around it and tell you what we have done. So we used to have a wall here which blocked all the view, and we obviously wanted to remove this wall. So we were not sure if this wall is structural or not, and in our project we had this beautiful beam. The finish of this beam is exactly like the finish of joinery and floor, so it's all kind of working together. So we removed this wall, opened up this space and built this beautiful kitchen. We used to have a very small island bench, and now we have this beautiful big island bench with vanity, where the beautiful owner can cook and enjoy her time. We took this cabinetry all the way up. This cabinetry is in Primo. That's Polytech, by the way.
Here we used the same finish as an island bench.
And on this splashback, we wanted to give it a little bit of texture, so we used these mosaic tiles. In our kitchen, we wanted to make it modern and minimalistic, so we don't have any handles. So this is the detail of the joinery, so you just pull it and open like this. This is basically all the drawers, cooktop, oven, a lot of space for keeping everything. And here in the island bench, microwave, dishwasher, under the sink the cabinet, and pull-out bin, which is a must for a kitchen, because when you are cooking, so you wash your stuff here, then you cut something, then you put it here in pull-out bin, and then you cook. Then you put in dishwasher what you don't want to wash here, and this circle is working. So you basically using everything around you. Comment on if you like this renovation, and contact DesignMile if you want to make a renovation with us.